Hey folks, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. Today we are diving into the Node.js streams and discussing why you should stop using the pipe in production. So why we should not use the usage of this pipe in production, we'll try to see, and instead switching to something new better than the pipe is pipeline. So we also look into an older tool which is called pump, how errors are handled in the streams, and finally how to create your own custom streams like Writable, Readable, Duplex and transform. These are all the things we'll try to do it. So let's see about this one. So if you have ever used streams in Node.js, you have probably seen this pattern. So like let's try to see this one. So yeah, here. So if I try to remove this entire thing, okay. So normally if you are trying to see this one, so normally what you will try to do, you will try to open these things. You will create a read stream and also you will create a write stream, and you will try to do read stream.pipe of write stream, so that the read stream, whatever the data is there, it will be copied into the write stream. So fine, this is fine for basic use, but here is the problem. What happens if an error occur in any one of these streams? So if any error occurs in the read stream or write stream, something happens is, then what we will try to do? So .pipe does not handle errors or cleanup streams automatically. So it will not do the handling the errors or cleaning up the streams automatically. It will not do it. If write stream emits an error or gets closed, read stream just keeps on going, wasting memory and potentially leading to leaks. So that's the thing. So here is the better way. Node.js introduced a new one, that is nothing but a pipeline method. So let's try to see about this one. Let's go to the docs, and here in our let's say in our streams, so you will be having about the pipeline. Okay, so pipeline, yeah, here. So pipeline, if I try to click on this pipeline, so here you'll be able to see, so the pipeline, and here you'll be able to have a source, destination and options also you'll be able to pass it. So now here signal argument, and it has been history, it has been added in 15.0.0. okay. So now here pipeline API, you will be able to see stream.finish. So this is the pipeline. So pipeline, if you try to check it, also supports a signal, and here the pipeline is there, pipeline streams callback. So this is the pipeline. So normally, so a module method to pipe between the streams and generators, forwarding the errors and properly cleaning up, and provide a callback when the pipeline is completed. So this is this method. It is used to pipe between the stream and generators, forwarding the errors. It will forward the errors and properly clean up. It cleans up and also provide a callback when the pipeline is completed. So that is the thing. So it has been introduced in something around added in 10 version. So like this it has been added, going on added, supported for web streams also. So this method does the same thing as pipe, but it has a built-in error handling and also a cleanup. So for writing this code, so what you need to do here, the same code which you are trying to write it, the same code. So we need to constant, so here you need to get it, pipeline is equal to require of streams. Okay, stream. So you need to get the stream I think, I don't know, I remember exactly. So stream, fine. So now you have created write stream and also you have created the read stream, right? So instead of using this one, so what you need to do it is, instead of using this one, so what you need to do is, so here we have used this end and all those things, right? So instead of using this one, so here you can use the pipeline of, so here you will be having the first one is the read stream, okay, and the next one you will be having is the write stream. So the next one will be a error handling, okay. So this is our error handling. If error is there means, then you can console.error pipeline, pipeline failed, and here you can write comma error, you can mention the error. Else means you can do console.log pipeline success or succeeded, something like that. So as you can see, we pass all our streams into a pipeline, whatever the streams are there. So in between this one, if you are trying to use it, it should be a duplex or a transform stream. At the end, you should have a write stream. So in between, if you add a write stream, so this data will be copied into this write stream, and this write stream does not send any data. So this write stream will not be worked. So as you can see, we pass all our streams into a pipeline, and it automatically wires up all the pipe logic plus add cleans up if any streams fail. This is a must for production. If a stream crashes, like due to network hiccup or something like that, it cleans up and prevents the memory leaks. So that is main thing. So key point is automatic cleanup, error forwarding, and cleaner callback. So that is the main thing. So normally before we don't have this pipeline. So what we have used it is, we have used something as a pump. So pump is an npm package. So if you try to click here, pump, it has been developed 5 years ago, I think. So let's try to see it. It has been published 7 months back. Okay, so this pump is a module. Yeah. So here this is a small module that pipes streams together and destroys all of them in one of them if one of them closes. So here this is same thing only. Instead of using the pipeline, we will be using the pump, source and destination, and here you will be having an error. That's it. So now here when destination is closed, pump will destroy source. So this is how you will be able to have it. So before using this one, so we had to rely on a package called pump to handle this one. So the same thing, the pump also does the same thing only. Pump made things safer than pipe, and it is still used today. In fact, it has over if you are able to see 36 million downloads or something like that, you are having it. So 40 something around it you are having. So it is having so many downloads, this one, weekly downloads you are having it. Fine. So now quick recap, what I want to do it is, so if you are using with the pipe, automatic error handling will not be there, automatic cleanup will not be there, but the native support will be there. Whereas for the pump, automatic error handling will be there, automatic cleanup will be there, and native support will not be there. Whereas for the pipeline, automatic error handling is applied, and also automatic cleanup is also there, and also there is a native support in the Node.js. So there is one thing which I want to tell you. Another useful tool before closing I want to discuss with you is, that is nothing but finished. So we have seen it at the bottom only. We have seen one finished. I will try to show you finished. Stream.finished. So this one is also one of the important thing. So where is stream.finished? So now what does this one do? Stream.finished function from the stream module. It comes from the stream module. It tells you when a stream has been finished reading or writing or had an error. So that is the main thing. So that means you can use create read stream. So for this one, so here you need to provide readable stream or writable stream, anything. So when the stream is finished, it will tell you when it has been finished. So whatever the things you want to do it, you can do it. So here you can use something like this. So here you can use this one, and you can use the read stream, and here it will tell you, and this should be imported from the finished, and this should be imported from the stream. So here you can able to see finished. Yeah. So this is also one concept. So it will tell you when the stream has been finished. This can be useful if you are working with individual streams and want to manage cleanup manually. So that is the main thing. So now that is all about the thing. So this is all about the pipeline concept which I want to tell you. So next we will try to create our own writable streams. How we can create our own stream, that too writable stream, we'll try to see it. So to wrap up things up, so what we have learned in this one is, we have used the pipeline instead of the pipe. For old versions we will be using the pump package. So the finished thing also we have learned it. So when for stream lifecycle management, so whenever the stream has an error or it has been finished, means if you want to do cleanup manually, means we can use this finished method. And we have avoided the memory leaks by cleaning up the streams. Understand when to use the writable, readable, duplex streams. So that one all coming next, we will try to do it. So if you like this deep dive, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where we implement custom streams from the scratch. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building awesome stuff. See you in the next video. Thank you.